Welcome back to Digital Class, and this is the discussion for booklet number 5, Angles in Geometrical Figures. And we'll look at question number 7 here. Now, here say that a unit shape in the form of quadrilateral is drawn in the dot paper below. It has an area of 2x unit square. Now, again, quadrilateral basically means what? The shape with 4 sides. Okay, a shape that actually have 4 sides. So as you can see that this one is actually something like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually a 4 side. And in specific, actually we can name this as what? Actually we can name this as trapezium. Correct? Trapezium means that a quadrilateral, a 4-side figure with one parallel line. So actually you can know that this is a parallel line, this is a parallel line. Now let's continue to read the question. A quadrilateral with 2 lines of symmetry is formed when 2 such unit shapes are joined together as shown below. Means that now, this is a shape like this. Now, they also have another one, but they switch or turn it, and it like go and attach to it. Now, it becomes a quadrilateral with 2 lines of symmetry. And we know this is what? It's basically rectangles, right? And rectangle have 2 lines of symmetry. The first one is like this. The one is like this. You might be asking, teacher, how about the line in the middle? No, don't worry about that because they are attaching to it and they consider as one thing. Okay, so 1 here, 2 here. Okay, and now continue to read this. Using the smallest number of unit shapes, means that this is a unit shape, form a square. Now, we need to use this to like somehow add to form a square. Now, you might be quite confused, how to form a square. But don't worry, if you look at this, if you look at the previous one, this actually gives us a tips already. Now, if I have something like this, and notice that here I have 3 units, here I only have 1 unit. But I know a square actually sides are the same length. So very easy, we just draw the same one here, but we make sure that we add up here to become 3, units. So we draw the same thing here, like this. Now here, like this. And now we form a square. This is actually how it works, okay? Of course, you can actually add more here, but they say what? Use the smallest number. Means that now 6 is enough already. And now the question here continues to ask, find the area of the squares in terms of x. Now, we know that one unit shape given is what? Has an area of 2x, okay? And now we have how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. So 6 times 2x. That's equivalent to 12x units square. And that is our answer for 2, A2. Now, continue to read the question. Look at the question. Form a quadrilateral that has only one line of symmetry. Now, let us try to look at here first. Quadrilateral is what? Again, a shape with 4 sides. A shape with 4 sides, we have what? We have square, we have rectangle, we have a trapezium, and we have parallelogram, we have rhombus. Okay? And we know that for sure that square and rectangle cannot be. Why? Because square and rectangles, they have what? They have more than one, right? But now here says only one. Let's try to look at rhombus. Can we have rhombus? Rhombus, we can be either like this or be either like this. So also cannot. We have 2 also. How about parallelogram? Parallelogram is something like this, right? Like this. Do we have line of symmetry? If you cut like this, cannot. If you cut like this, cannot. If you cut from the side, same side cannot because they don't have the same length. Okay? Now the only possible same side is trapezium. But this trapezium can't work, right? So how? You need to remember that trapezium can come in two ways. The first way is like this, but we also can have something like this, right? Means that to form a trapezium that is like this, we just need to add one that is like this. Now, and with this, we actually know that there's only one line of symmetry, which is from the middle. And the answer is yes. Okay? And we are done for this part. And it continued to ask us, name the type of quadrilateral form. And this is actually still trapezium. And basically, we are done with the whole questions for this. Okay. This question is slightly different from the questions that we usually practice, but it's actually still very easy. Just a little bit tricky that you need to know what you are doing. Okay. And that's all for my discussion for this question. See you. Bye bye.